All right, hello. So today we are going to be talking about how the program can both load files from variant Eclipse XML kind of templates, and how you can also write to those in what I hope is a relatively easy way. So what exactly do I mean by all of this? From the Eclipse contouring space, if you go over here to structure and then new structure from template, you'll have all these template files listed here. I'm going to show the unapproved ones and then abdomen BMA. This is just kind of the one I'm being referring back to. So the benefit of our program is that if you're wanting to make a change to something that is listed across several of these, then you can throw it all the template maker on the Airtable, make any changes, and then write it directly back into this space without ever actually having to open these up and change the manual. All right, so let's look at what this looks like from the program side. So here, I have the program open. When I click load from XMLs, the program is going to automatically look for this default location, this RO ARIA image, VA data, Again, this is a default for where all these template files are written. So if I just click that, oops, I left a debug point there. Let's continue along. Effectively, what's happening is it's coming to this location and just reading down each one of these XML files. So here you can see an abdomen file, which is the one we're going to be editing. And essentially the entirety of this is just a bunch of nested locations. So structure, body, bowel space is bowel, is the FMA code, So once this loads, we can come back here and we will have our list of all of these templates that have been pulled from here. So I am just going to edit this abdomen BMA template. Here you can see it actually within Eclipse. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of make a change to one of these ROIs. So abdomen BMA, edit the ROIs. And rather than say PTV XYYY, I'm just going to call this X. Okay, everything else should be pretty fine in here. Artifact and height density don't really have any defining thing. Save and exit. I am just going to write abdomen BMA, and then I will create folder with loadable variant XMLs. So click this and say that I want to write it back in the same location that I just read it from. So I'll select that folder. Again, left another debug point, continue, and it's all done. Okay. So now I come back to Eclipse, I cancel this, then new structure from template. I do approved, nope, not retired, approved. Admin BMA, you can see it's PTV XXX. And that's kind of the end of this point. There's a lot of cool things you can do with this. You can kind of throw all of your XML templates up online to Airtable. And then if you make any changes across them or want to make any updates, then you can just change in the Airtable, re-download them, and then, kind of select all and write it to variant XML. You don't have to. It's just something that might be useful for you if you want to use that. So yeah, pretty short video on this one. Next one I'll cover will be creating a folder with loadable RTs, probably. And I hope to see you then. Thanks.